mga amiga, so niya nata diri sa atong Bisaya version karon nga adlaw. Pero ato gyapon siyang i-translate sa English, French, but with Visayan version. So para masabtan ninyo ang tanan. Pero before I start it, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Canadian Tisay. Please click down below. So let's start it. English to French. This is important question for the daily routine. You must know about it. So, number 1. Let's see, what are you listening to? Let's say you're talking with someone. Tapos you ask them a question. Unsay imong gipaminaw in Visaya? So this is the English. What are you listening to? In French, you could also, this is true translation, but it's only one meaning. So tu écoutes quoi? Tu écoutes quoi? Or vous, you could also talk this. Let's say you just met with someone. Ito yung respectful words or para siyang polite words. Qu'est-ce qui vous écoutez? Qu'est-ce qui vous écoutez? Tsaka ito naman, yung kinakausap mo, yung kaibigan mo, yung kakilala mo na siya. So you will say to him or her, tu écoutes quoi? Tu écoutes quoi? Unsay imong gipaminaw? Or what are you listening to in English? Next. Who are you talking to? Let's say you're asking with someone, your friends, family, or you see, kinsay imong kasulti? Who are you talking to? In French, tu parles à qui? Tu parles à qui? But don't forget, tu parles à qui, you're talking these words with someone that you know. Let's say your friends, family, that's someone that you're close with. Tsaka ito, à qui vous parlez? Ito yung ginagamit vous parlez, yung someone that you don't know. Let's say you meet someone in public. Ito kasi yung polite word. Tsaka para siyang ginagamit sa, kumbaga sa Tagalog po at upo. Ito yung parang respectful words. À qui vous parlez? Kinsay imong kasulti? Who are you talking to? À qui vous parlez? Next. Where are you going on? Where are you going? Asa ka padulong? Tu vas où? Para lang kasi itong binaliktad pero pwede mo kasing sabihin na où vas-tu? Où vas-tu? Tu vas où? Asa ka padulong? Or in English, where are you going? So ito yung, let's say you just get in the house. So you're asking with someone, is anyone here? In Bisaya, naabay tao diri ah? In French, ilya kilka? Ilya kilka? Number 5, you're asking someone, did you clean the mirror? Naglimpyo ka ba sa mirror? Or gilimpyuhan na nimo ang mirror? In French, as-tu nettoyé le miroir? As-tu nettoyé le miroir? Number 6, who is here? Or who is it? You're asking someone, who is here? Or who is it? In French, kiila, kiila. Or in Visayan, kinsa na siya. Number 7, what are you doing here? In Visayan, unsay imong gibuhat diriya? Qu'est-ce tu fais là? Qu'est-ce tu fais là? Qu'est-ce tu fais là? What are you watching? Tu regardes quoi? Qu'est-ce que vous regardez? Qu'est-ce que vous regardez? In Visayan, unsay imong gitan-aw? Tu regardes quoi? Qu'est-ce que vous regardez? Nadunggan ko nimo? Can you hear me? Tumatan? Or in polite words, est-ce que vous m'attendez? Est-ce que vous m'attendez? Est-ce que vous m'attendez? Did you clean the house? Nanglimpyo ka sa balay? And friends, as-tu nettoyé la maison? As-tu nettoyé la maison? Did you go out this morning? Nilakaw ka ba ganina buntag? And friends, es-tu sorti ce matin? Es-tu sorti ce matin? Where do you came from? Where do you came from? Asa ka gikan? Do we to or to we do? Para lang kasi itong binaliktad din eh. Kagaya dito sa kabila. Pero ito, ganito kasi dito magsulti yung mga Fransi. Kaya minsan yung mga may edad na pumupunta dito sa Canada, minsan they quit their French lessons kasi parang hassle to or it goes complicated. Pero but if you really wanna if you're interested to learn in French, it is really good for you to learn the French. Do we to we do. How much is it? Pila ni siya. Let's say you're going for shopping or nag-shopping ka, wala ka kabalo sa price. So you will ask, combien ça coûte? Combien ça coûte? Ça coûte combien? Did you eat? Nikaon na ba ka? As-tu mangé? As-tu mangé? Unsaon man na siya para mo andar? How does it work? Kama sa marché. Sa marché kama. Kama sa marché. Sa marché kama.